This morning I'm in Shackelford, Virginia, and we're at a metal building that we built that is 60 foot by 120 foot. It's 7,200 square feet. It's the ultimate barndominium. Built it for a retired Air Force pilot and his family. It's out in the middle of the countryside in one of those necks on the eastern shore of Virginia. It basically is a very simple box of a metal building, and then it's got a decorative front on it. It's got this wood porch that he built along the front with some brick and a nice entry. The rest of it is a pretty straightforward metal building. We're out here today just doing some touch-up, but you can see the window pattern on it. The front half of the building is a two-story house. There is about 4,500 square feet of living space on the house, and then the back part of it is just a big open shop with a 20 foot clear ceiling inside. This has a standing seam roof in it, which will basically last forever. It means none of the fasteners are exposed. Has a 30-year guarantee on the finish on that roof. It should last 60 or 70 years really without much maintenance. The problem he's having is he's been complaining about this one window right here, and that water comes in a heavy rain. They are residential type windows, which means they have a flange that screws to the framing that's around the perimeter of the window. And there's no problem between the trim and the siding. The problem is right here. It's coming in between the channel and the trim. And that tells me that it's really just the joint between the window and the trim. We do the best we can with these windows. They're not really designed for metal buildings. If you buy a building from us, we're going to buy a window system that is made to fit with the metal building system. They seal a lot better. They're made to deal with all of those joints. We have 44 years of experience doing this. We really think we know how to put these things together and make them work the way that they're supposed to. So involve us in your next project. I'm Bruno Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction, LLC. We design and build these pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call us about your next project.